Episode for higher GC News. Bima Uya Kwaba Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say be subscribe. They'll be on say be click the subscribe button na wabele notification where there's a new video be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka esa video afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma ofori so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensem a ekoso ewo Ghana men mu harom afi ye hwe ye ensem a abeto ye pono so yenti ye sankomo yenti sansemu ya ekoso yi mu yenti
na no that me catch was the NPP for lusu aba no mko Mahamadu Bawumia was the leader of the NPP. The leader of the NPP now is Chairman Titi meboa also cross me what be away. So if you look at the NPP, if they are in opposition, the leader of the party is Chairman Titi. He is the national chairman. Now NPP for some be research to look at what really went on our moment man when yaba no ana meboa Lasisi fan creator ade papa we ye no e hypocritical enyacho and ade na oye no ye hwe ade unim say today I'll give you the feelings and me fa the ABC nipa na compare some means say na yi Afenyo Markins afiri ho enam and dey obi aba sa asen south Asante region for nkoye meeting and nipa no mo share they were influencing this kind of meeting e re Afenyo chama wuntumi and NAPO mu and na this kind of meeting obi a one agenda omo dey yes ade no omo penkofo they can manipulate them because omo say Afenyo Markins ho a it is extremely difficult say be bet me so Afenyo Markins office to do interest for Bawumia. Okay. Are you a 3 years I work? I'll tell the reason why I say you're hypocritical, a double standard or setting. And I may tell us message Franco come at another team. Just a film called your Oba Bontene ebe use statement say mon taxi will be as on A plus in Casa. Say a 3 years of Babonta Babe Casa MP before some day Dr. Bawumia that's the official position of the party. Just a film let us see a letter from you. Just a film honorable can started A plus Casa A plus Babon Tebeka say and honorable can moon nation. What the official statement by Bontene did also say the party has not asked anyone to negotiate with A plus. And now 3 years say MPP position they say they are bringing Dr. Bawumia in 2028. If it's not the party's official position, JFK, that is here for me. No, yeah,
because MPP is going to present Bawumia again.
No matter who you blame, the party has lost.
But you haven't brought the Ashanti votes, though. Finally, that's my last question. They said you were going to bring Ashanti votes.
I hope you never ask that question again because it might provoke somebody to insult you.
We are not going to attack personality. We are going to attack issues. We may be bigger problem. The MPP paying for so to what someone apoke. Was Ampo where Rani Abbey did a lot of job for Afenyo. Yes. They didn't cause a GMPC. Tamakro, Eduwaji Tamakro. Only the course of Ghana gas here. Why you better say you be called lotteries? You know, region Mr. Young, look at their ages. Lady B. Grams I have for one of the region. Young lady B. Said 35 to 36 years. Look at their ages. I'm not the party, no. I saw my county, and yes, there's Safama for you for town. As I be the senior minister, maybe a young guy. If I'm doing communication for the NDC, it means I have to work well. You'll get a better. The catch us a politics is about selfish interest first. And people know I guess it. Your compressor or now Papa no way. Oh, Papa no way. I catch him say, Obi Juma almost as who is the godfather of MPP? Yes, that is, they ask who is MPP party. If you don't have a godfather, who you money to go? I'm telling you, that is the MPP. If you don't have a godfather, forget it. Only godfather. I am found was able to see ni papa ni way, the godfather anyway, near my position. Obit radio ni TV so your proper communication. Obi show sacrifice, commitment, dedication. They don't care about it. MPP in Kwana. Say MPP come am want to be president. Because Omo say on free dombo, on free down confree. But I make want Chedana make catch us a major the running meet. But don't cover the history of the MPP, the tradition, their history. And the son of money nyame card the say no more. Now the NDC. Now look at the kind of young guys they are bringing them on board. Franco Kennedy Agyapong can say ni peja NPP ready for. Me say, and maybe I make count. And to momo die no, NPP then your godfather, and no lengths awo. But the NDC they are looking at hard work. They want to because Dr. Amwako here no, Franco Amwako no. Onya obi NDC mu. Mananchiro. I only know so call man pon anye good. And obe pre nooks. Yeah. Nooks no win ye. No catch NDC for so NDC ni. Yeah. And uncle for year campaign man win ye. Miss Aqua so much desire secretary. No Biti Zuba, but he's a learned guy about Biti Zuba. Young guy.
But potential Zuba came a boss.
Also sacrifice. Young guy. Also support.
Those Tamana Kufo, Ejan Nasu Asante region. Guys are no MPP top time. Zuba.
Oh, you are
Gyamfi.
Okay.
Fans will be. Yes.
Tiasma make catch on you. Young guys. Young guys. Tiasma make catch on. And your Godfather, Sam say, and away Godfather, and away you debut. They are looking at hard work. They want to compensate them by what? Giving them key appointment. So Mama Kra is seed from the scene. That's NDC Kra co-positioner. These young guys, even my resourceful, they can still put the agenda of the NDC.
When him say Boakye Gyamfi, you offered them no 2008, 2000. Oh,
you're correct guy of
Amani. Anna. Now we produce program, political program, no pass. MPP for top guys naba. Na money buys if it's all for tanto to swami. Si can you party you to buy or casasa, it will appear na papa. I say, it is Asante papa na you. Yes, you like see.
Man, I can't say
party Asante for party. We in this.
There was Amani. The bush of MPP for.
Meaning that.
Come. We are founding members of the MPP.
No, what's no.
And then me tea, Sammy Gyamfi. Or say the reason why he opted to join the NDC, they say MPP for. I thought that Omubu NDC for any media. That's why I'm going to say NDC for any school than this animal. And I kill. And I just say, we banza. Dr. Frank Amwako, whether he joined the NDC in 2020, today he's a regional minister.
And in fact, he was one of the campaigners. But Abdo also, when you know, but he was very influential on the social media.
The way I make a county.
Zenato said, no health.
As I make a county. Well, look at the appointment of John Deman. My man is standing ovation. He's thinking about the future governance of the NDC and the future of the NDC party.
He said, we said on how to say, a Safuma for no about someone pushing, no Safuma, we didn't put my damn people.
Remember, who is regional minister? 8 years.
And if he was a mess, what can he offer to MPP?
We defense 8 years.
And with
that, why am I say answer
on the seat to go
Kwaku Annan on what can catches what you mean.
So how can these what can these guys offer MPP? So what President Akufo Addo a good MPP offer Bawumia Campaign
engineer bisa MPP the only godfather in your position and I godfather and I'm godfather. They then look at people who've shown commitment and dedication. Look at how they as I make the world team be and train date later in winter. A day will be coming. MPP so much position for 8 years. And what's their fun and what's their bomb? I don't even say be up a crego. That's easy. Are you trying to tell me that these young guys? Oh, no more MPP, you know. Are they willing to come out and say, one more person will come up with MPP?
And they'll be over this camera.
Ain't I made choice of your mama caught in a fear 8 years or call wilderness? 8 years, no. What else did was a baby? A young come. He should think about the future of the party and the governance of the NDC. Look at that, precious, precious mean. Whether we like it or not,
the guy did very well, and this is communication.
So, try to also kind of quote.
Na Sammy Gyamfi kwana kan boni din Sammy Gyamfi was Sammy Gyamfi he was the national of the new patriotic party.
Precious Minerals Marketing Company Precious Minerals Company Marketing Company is an authorized body legally permitted to grade, assay, value, process, buy and sell precious minerals and to license agents in Ghana. They say gold mujuma over video. That's a gold mujuma. And it's a fancy Sammy Gyamfi 2 billion Ghana cedis and dollars. That's NDC Kwaku positioner. He knows just what's to turn normal in the Boa party now. Yawaha and an MPP co-position. MPP paying for work at some first come from your campaign. This is a bush of fortune for somebody in your campaign.
Can the pass or your policy? Was in a bush of force by or something the national security? I'm budget for 8 years in budget. Shabla Sisi. Maybe sir. Some for Fenomanias Catamon young Crankra MPP. If the MPP goes to opposition, are they willing to break bank and come out and say some person will be about the MPP?
Because MPP is going to present Bawumia again.
Oh, you're going to present Bawumia again?
MPP will definitely present Bawumia again.
Really?
But why would you want to change Bawumia?
Oh, I see.
No, me will say.
Isn't it
John Mahama lose. John Mahama.
What's it?
John Jina.
Isn't it too early for you to suggest that Bawumia should be
John Jinapo on the 9th of January 2017 or say I was said Mahama Baba. I am NPP. I'm a candidate. Me say
with a candidate.
I am yes, John Mahama. Follow big, but the amount for anyone what on home. Send the soon in the buying year. And the sympathy and the empathy in Ghana. In Ghana, Hanusi, apart from Rawlings or then the democracy by. Tell me, Obia Oko Wana Bunyaya, apart from John Mahama 70 boss,
of course. I mean, it's different. I see.
Ufoko back one
the second time they fire.
Yes.
Most Komiansa.
Yes.
And another Komiansa.
Yes. So I just here. Adena. Even Eduboy and common society, but the problem they had was that young boycott to Parliament,
yeah.
Franco, last season was say Bawumia NPP for the neighbor. Say you want to be NPP more than ever.
If you have hypocritical leaders, these are the kind of things that okay. Hypocritical leaders. Today,
the kind leader when you
yes. Remember, I deal with me. Imagine coming can't you. But today, they are brand new. I'm ready to open up and tell you so many things.
Yeah.
Was some the Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia for 2028. Now, what I'm a catch was the NPP for Lusu Abanom call. Mahamadu Bawumia wasn't the leader of the NPP.
Yeah.
The leader of the NPP now is Chairman Team.
Yeah.
Also, Chairman Team. So if you look at the NPP, if they're in opposition, the leader of the party is Chairman Team.
Yeah.
He's the national chairman.
Yeah.
Now, NPP forced some research to look at what really went on. Our moment, man, when you're and I'm a boy. Last season,
fan creator.
I did a power, a hypocritical. And I didn't know, young Shadi. Wouldn't say you're today, I'll give you the fillers and I'm found the ABCs. Wouldn't say you're 12 NPP be a mini minority. Anna. MPP forecasts I don't pursue more forming parliament government leadership
that the NPP side.
Yes. And MPP for no especially if you look at 88 MPs of the MPP, 40 of them are coming from Asante region.
Okay.
So Asante region wanted to be the leader for parliament, especially in relation to the MPP.
Yeah.
So and now Afenyo Markins, he was sitting on a time bomb. Time bomb when they say na enkofo wa Asante region no o ma unse nipa ba ko so animu se da nyedu was central, but they want to bring the person on board. Say the be bi ade bi o mo ye bia we knew into the benefit of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Today I will remember empirical evidence. Okay. What it? Tinya botre. Eto mu ye ni na wie ye no. Nipa ba ko no compare so mu ni free because o mu se sa nipa no o so allegiance to Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong. And so they want to bring Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Sa ankofo bi. So when say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ba dia, say sa nipa no ho is extremely difficult. Okay. Afenyo Markins. Okay. So they went hard on him. Nipa na compare so many say na yi Afenyo Markins e fi ho and they obi aba. Sa asin south nipa na
deputy minister education team for job. Reverend team for job.
Former deputy minister.
Yeah, of education.
And now yes and come fa ne mra. MN deputy minority whip.
Yeah.
Nanka omunyi yes, because they wanted region and whereby Asante region for could take interest.
Asante also could have 40 MPs.
And omkoye meeting. Tini Asante region for omkoye meeting. And nipa no mo share they were influencing this kind of meeting. And you refer to Chama to me and then NAPO and then this kind of meeting. Okay. They say NAPO na here come up. When I want to me, hey, I'm telling you, omo come. Because they have
NAPO video
they have an agenda.
Okay.
See, and to me and and almost cast it. Just one back at we. And almost say,
they say they have the agenda.
Agenda says they want to bring Bawumia.
And you want to
Bawumia, but NAPO still be the running. Hey, that is me saying in your botre. Said that be a catch us a means.
Bawumia for 1 period. Because only someone said Bawumia defeat in NAPO constituted better 50%. What
am I say? More empirical evidence. Okay. Many concorded. And many concorded, but give empirical evidence. Shadian. Tomo kwa mkwatena ase. And Asante region for it. Asemi you. Omoka say for us to succeed. Be about me betimi aba for the second term. And you were 3 years and ya be. There be a mechanics of politics about selfish interest. And selfish interest first too, before the expense of Ghanaians. And omoka say sadia. Omo kwa koye you were 3 years. Ama you were 3 years aba bed say deputy minority leader.
One. Say the Jatelin.
What it is?
Can talk about it.
Tomo yene sa. Na mama party na omo the deputy minority no you need your few. One. Omo say mama party enye true and true your friends about me. Or your Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Or Afenyo. What no is not the label the woman to be an Afenyo woman.
This time. Na say she Alan na soko.
La sisi. Ti asa me catch oni. Obi a one agenda omo dey asade no. Omo penkofo they can manipulate them. Because omo say Afenyo Markins or it is extremely difficult. Say be a bit me so Afenyo Markins office to do interest for Bawumia.
Okay.
And it is a anka papa we buyer, my buyer. Uncle mo bit must be headed Bawumia agenda. And no must this deputy so asa come obi a onye pro Bawumia.
Okay.
Onye pro Bawumia.
Okay.
Anyway, are you a 3 years sama worker? I'll tell the reason why I say we hypocritical, a double standard or setting. We hypocritical. Shabla sisi.
Uncle
Me, I'm it here. Me a member of parliament. But today, I will give you something.
Okay.
Babe King, me pesa wa King Kenya di.
Okay.
Na wan kasa King Kenya. Ube hu baby asemi free ba. O se papa ne kasa no.
Yeah.
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia doesn't hail from the Asante region. That's what I catch.
Yeah.
He doesn't hail from the Asante region. Or a non-Akan. I don't want to do
tribal politics.
Tribal politics in this anumano. But look at something.
Okay.
Shabla sisi.
Uncle.
Memoir should be.
Yeah.
Edieni.
Mehu or WhatsApp screen shot to be
where your official MPs and PCs platform.
Official MPs and
PCs platform
in Asante region.
In Asante region.
Okay.
So if you look at this PC for now, MPs.
Okay.
And these are one of them data. Now listen to this.
Okay.
I
can see Honorable Ayufijase.
Thank you. Now listen to this. Assembly American Biano. And I make sure of me.
Message Franco come as another TV.
See, because say, folks, no one should be happy about the enormity of betrayal to the Ashanti by some selfish few of us and the selling of strength and rightful position in the leadership to the other region.
Okay.
First of all,
okay.
Why didn't I?
The formula and that's all.
First of all, one on addressing me. First of all,
part.
Thank you.
Okay.
Or say, you are very selfish.
And he was talking to my part.
Catch him on my part. What I say, you are very selfish. A big betrayal to the Ashanti caucus and council. It is all about you and not what we all stand for. In 2008, when we lost the elections, Ashanti came together and took the minority leader. Today, you, Kodia and Nenabi, Mamin Chilwa, Nento Mudini say, Sam Kofo Konanado Danko Akufo Addo Akufo Addo say, Mama partner, onye true and true Bawumia. So, Mama partner pursue or sign over. And it's idea of money is going to bring confusion in chaos. See, and I'm lawyer Justin Kojo and the Daddy. Yantiadianasi. Yantiadianasi say, after Kwaniati committee in this animal, we don't know what took us to opposition. And there's someone who just walking. Now, what's here? Almost a Mahama, she doesn't think about Ashanti interest.
And a Mahama select to minority leader. Then I can't open the Mahama.
No more than say Ashanti interest. The regional chairman and paying for the Ashanti region is still opting for Bawumia. And the problem is, my Germany, Parman, Suti, I don't meet my yes, Papa. I feel you. Thank you. Come on, party cast on Penacana. I just want to pay you in front of us.
No, why would she want to blame my part? I don't know to blame.
So, my choir meeting, so much of Papa and Eba without the knowledge of the national executives. Without the knowledge of the general secretary, the treasurer, the chairman, any of your friends is the organizer. Who here from the Asante region?
But because the leadership of parliament, both caucus, a party near MPs. Yeah,
amount 4% you could.
Yeah.
We have a nice way to do our coup. And he has set a premise at water. Mobile na could be a museum so much. That's why I make a tea. So I'm reading it for you. Yeah. And they will be surprised how I got this kind of information. Shabuti, you say, today you, talking to the General Secretary, you, Kodia and Anabi have sold us the region with the largest caucus for just a deputy leader. In our caucus meeting, why didn't you argue for the leader? So if we would have brought matter to rest, you sat into a determination of what we wanted was established. So all of our toil and suffering, Asante was not fit a leader nor chief whip.
Okay.
It's no per minority chief whip.
Or better the chief whip or minority leader.
Thank you. Now here, who said that I catch there will say, Chain Mensa Bones, and you could guitar. Me come on for so na and honest one could be. Now listen to what they are saying over here.
Okay.
What say? Mensa Bones suffered a coup d'etat in the hands of Afenyo, Kodia, President Akufo Addo, and this was the time to correct it.
But before and I said before you baby year, you said most Akufo Addo said there.
Thank you. What say? What really is the sense of Ashanti in the hands of Akufo Addo and Achim mafias? Total suppression of Ashanti. I want to ask Neba. Now some now you see the double standard. When NPP was going for internal election, was we should think about the Asante caucus, and we should think about the interest of Ashanti. I'm going to limit it. One, we have Boakye Agyarko is the BB Ashanti region. And then we be free Ashanti region. Kwabena Agyapong be free Ashanti region. And I agree. Ashanti region. Also free Akuto in Ashanti region. Nipa 6 was saying. I want to ask this particular man, why did he neglect them and went for Bawumia? If he's fighting for Ashanti interest, I don't know if I'm making sense.
You are making a lot of knowledge here. You are educating us. What's it? I say, because you share Asante.
Thank you.
You put Asante into it. And also, say, November 4th. Yes. You are a lot of guys. Before even super delegates.
Before super delegates, Alan was coming from Ashanti region. What prevented you? If you say hey, and I would the MP, if you are fighting for Ashanti interest, what prevented you say you didn't fight for Kojo Kyeremanteng, who was a potential person to even be the flag bearer of the NPP? You see the double standard hypocrisy America. You see the selfish interest because Bawumia promises about women health minister.
Send ya wa crashing.
What does that mean?
Meje a yaman, deputy yaman.
What are they say? And it's now or say we shall live to regret this sale of a needless trade-off. Never again should we as a caucus trade our rightful position, unity, strength to lower the bargains. We have suffered enough. Poor development, businesses. We needed not to have sold our value for such a low bargain. What say? Low development, this one. No, himself, MPP for Anyashi was Ashanti, and he wanted them to break the heat.
I feel wrong. Was it they've sold something there?
I'll say, we shall live to regret the sale of our needless trade-off. Never again should we have a caucus trade our rightful position.
Now, frankly, we say, flag bearer, any minority leader, then so. One got flag bearer position.
Remember, one castle bear fright. The third gentleman of the land is the president, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. The president, he has a right to appoint over 8,000 Ghanaians. Minority than majority leader for 1 or more point. Mini minority.
Micro minority.
That's what I make a turn. And not some all can. All can say they have sold their rightful position. I want to ask him. And it's our time. Obia say the new patriotic party in full more price for Ashanti. And yes, I mentioned you training from America. So I'm going to make commercial from Cambodia. I even want to leave Kennedy Agyapong out. Do you know why? I don't want to bring him here. These are true Ashanti people.
Alan was Obiseka I do Alan so.
I don't know Burkina. I don't know Cambodia. I don't know Israel. What prevented him from saying I'm Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng about be the president of the Republic? You see the hypocrisy and the double standard. Ejameka say the man is too hypocritical or gain a selfish interest at the expense of the new patriotic party.
Now that guy, the doctor, who is he? As officer or command over the party.
Nipa Wemuna, John Boaduba as the former general secretary of the party, or my mountain podium, some man in Kasa. Dr. China as a treasurer, Doma West Central, most man in Kasa. What is your official position in the party? You are an MP. These are national executives. So I'm going forward to me, I'm an MPP, I'm winning about. Look at how you are treating them. Tia, was say in the National Council yesterday. Are you surprised? I'm giving this. Are you surprised?
Oh, the minister because of the woman
was say in the National Council yesterday. They said our numbers don't matter by all those who wanted us for deputy. Was say, National Council meeting. And numbers, person because my say you know massa. Numbers it doesn't matter. Tia.
Because remind me fast 70% number.
Thank you. It doesn't matter. Yet when it got to the second deputy whip, the Greater Accra group, led by Lord Comey and Prince, their organizer, shouted, Greater Accra, Greater Accra. Jerry Ahmed, a new entrant was given. Why not Mavis in Cancer Board? As this was our position, our strength and unity have been tested. May God see us through and help Ashanti to soar higher in the NPP, just as a lot is always needed from us. I want to ask the man again. What say? I didn't know man farmer Mavis in Cancer World. I didn't know so do some be super presidential candidates. No, young farmer Kwabena Agyapong.
And I am farmer Allah.
And I am farmer Kojo. And I could say,
Unim say, Usa Fia Kutu. Or Papa ne Chame Bafa Kutu. Asante ne Chi ni Jama na Kojo Kyeremanteng was so to be. I'm over to take NLM media when I will change the Muka history. And he said, Ufi said, and then the Bawumia interest over the Cassette, young farmer minority leader. A mass Asante Asante. Now you're the president of Asante. Most of them pay Emudia. All things being equal. Emudia. But frankly, what give me this way? Papa, the video now was say NPP or say on our NPP move. Was say TT. You have you have a lot of information about them. What can say? Was say more the Bawumia. One of the Bawumia. Or say NPP for the Bawumia. One of the Bawumia. San no man no moki kai. San no man, it is possible. And Abamia never fan so me kai. No more two super delegates. Papa do no year you be fan so. And Abamia de wavy and Abamia de wavy. I did be indigenous we Bamia by yes Abamia Maya flag better piano. It wins against Bamia. And one also Bamia is coming from the northern part of Ghana. Okay. He's going to wrestle power with John Dramani Mama. Yeah. Abana to you know. Are you not surprised? And then one police station Abamia zero. So what we pay? Also police station. Almost 5 executives and people 5. Yeah. And this was 9. Just one make a job. And some for 5 no more so man talk about me. You know more to cry.
I want to say okay. The reason why I'm person with this agent for the agent for no, be crack to number one be a agent to her. But if you look at every police station, the NPP have 5 executives over there.
You police station executive. They also with me identify party for ne Ghana for him. You're from a 554.
Me say, only 5. I didn't do me 0. And you have police station about me 0. Now, if you look at the northern part of Ghana, go and check. Getrude Torkornoo Addo, when he was even contesting to be the president, was neck to neck with John Dramani.
Because me kai northern region. Now in 2020, Mahama 476,000 by this in Nanado enya 409,000. But this Mahama call 5,000 the
only region about me beat Mahama in the Kromon and quite was close.
Because Osha North Isha. I want to buy me a few Papa Miffy Bawumia 134,000. Mahama 111,000. Close Savannah. Mahama 87,000. Bawumia
and one. Sadia no mudina so say a grand two. Say be identity this everybody so free same neighbor. He's going to contest with reference of the money mama. Sadia no mudina so crampo. It was wrong.
What about the Muslim vote?
Muslim vote to be. Go and check the Zongo communities. The Zongo communities, no, it is meant up about 90% Muslims.
Muslim, yeah.
Yeah. And obviously I not crable for the metro money and I says go for the free Saudi Arabia bomb this care ban a car say ban the. Do you know say Mahamadu Bawumia, when he was even the vice president, made promises and pledges to them for money. So our customer received some model school be
university, no university, some model Islamic school be under 42.
Thank you. When to me and
German can photo by
Dabio, me say Baby on a stronghold of Omso Ekamunino. How many votes am Mahamadu Bawumia in the Zongo community?
If in that part is northeast, you know, sees the first now 4-2 because this constituency, you know, send this first time about common I. But Savannah, the Mahama Boon Popopra.
Me say, baby, I say a yen stronghold, or Yakamunino. Tiu, or Yakamunino. I am strong with a better about the man. He lost it. Zongo community is going to check. But now I may but fact, beside one I can say a political pundit. We are Ghana about I can phone a dorsal. That can community dorsal. Mahama is from the north. So Mahama will try to tell me as a northerner. Ghanaians still give it to another northerner. That's Bawumia game. It's extremely difficult. Even the party will not even allow it. Baby, I'm don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. Any part 2 and not 3. Now, most of me are the front lineness of the NDC now. 1, Julius Debra. 2, I said Winketia. Eric Opoku. Don't joke with them. So, NDC for Masana. Why would the NPP want to take that risk? Because Ghana from don't be. I say you are for no medal base. Medal base come money, sir. No, hey, one tea. Debut. Yes, I do not come fish near you by your friend say. Melakaboja. I said Melakaboja. Shall I see? A true baby. A true baby. Frankly, so Nippon also deliver medal bet. So one team deliver medal bet. No medal bet, no. Echo fine. Asante Bediatuo account. Echo one half account. So Onimwa. In 2016. Now 11-1. Yeah. That will be Meboa. Bono region. 11-1. Yeah. And actually, Abronya they say 111. Yeah, I was 111. See MP before 6 back. He said also Bono na Bono half region. I have 3 regions Meboa. He said Bono is Akaba Kope. I'm some Atta James Akosa. Take him south. And I have also Aka Idia. I Gideon Wako seat, turn off. And I bonus Aka 1 seat. Bono Aka 1 seat, and people 1 seat. A Shana Bono 1 seat. Tell me that I can be a Saturday MPP or Cocos. I'm going to turn this year. I'm going to do my ways of my central. Mr. Bonakabaco is become West. Mr. Bono MPP Akabaco. Mr. Kuru. Mr. Akabaco pet. MPP Akabaco pet. Oh, Drobo. Hey! They said, I can say MPP caucus in Bono. If I back federation, caucus may Shata caucus to be 40. Hey! Asante MPP caucus on 40. Bono back, I have for back. Last now we're the middle belt. I show us when deliver. Now, sir, not fairly abysmally way. As I catch some doctor. No, I'm on say idea. Next, also, we in 2024 or my year. 2028 or my year. There be a class in mixing. Make a man for say Frank going on NPP for us. I say, go and do your checks. I bind be a wolf free power be your hand over. And the man vice president. About 98% they don't win the elections. And Kamala Harris, Mr. Diabólic Harris, Kamala Harris, example no crowd. That's what they are in council. Do you know why? No. They feel and think that you are part and parcel of the administration purposes of that government. The more you be as the vice president, you are part. But frankly, don't you think, say, Unia, Wadanfo, Mekana Soswamenka, Jason Frimpong could be a meditate Punibema. Now that Senate Jason Frimpong could, if it is not the official position of the party, you should come out and issue a statement. Because a few years say, MPP is going to bring Dr. Bawumia. One can say, that in the position. What's the MP says party national and a masmano. Tijatin people could be anti. I get you. They have to come out with official communication. Yes. Either disassociating themselves from it and say omuni mori. The ababiano papana na kokanasem. And now says so sudden means consent. Yes. So what Mama can be the name means that the Papane Kano, he's talking his capacity as an MPP person, talking the capacity as the and as an MP. Yeah, I pick an far and cry with Koma Jadenbo. Jadenbo, okay, say honorable Ken. And by my friend say, oh, A+. Ekasa, I say, come be a part of the minority caucus. Jason Fimpo could be a Obabontene. Ebe use statement say, "Mon taxi will be as on net
A+ in Kasa. Send a few years of Babonta Babe Kase. NPP for some more day. Dr. Bawumia now send the official position of the party. Joseph Ripokodia. Let us see a letter from you. Joseph Ripokodia. Honorable Ken started ne A+ Kasa no. A+ Babonte be Kase and honorable Ken Mon Nation. What the official statement Babonte be denounce say the party has not asked anyone to negotiate with A+. And now 3 years say MPP position is say they are bringing Dr. Bawumia in 2028. If it's not the party's official position, JFK, let us hear from you.
I agree with you perfectly. No, you agree.
And frankly, who share Adena a few you and American say or no one else said Deneba. Our man Faton say in 1992 because Professor Dubois, one moment Parliament. That's why they didn't bring him in 96. As Akufo went 96, 2000 was the most echo 3 times. Now also called 3 times. And the Bawumia should also give an
wrong analogy. Are they? Wrong analogy. Are they? If you look at J. Akufo, he contested in 1996 and 2000. Yeah. Won the elections in 2000. Yeah. Now, if you look at Nana Danko Akufo Addo, he contested on 3 occasions. Yeah. Yeah. If you look at even the votes and percentage in Nana Danko Akufo Addo, we win the first one. You know, 2008.
2008. 49 point something. And he didn't get 0 in the
polling. We knew and the sad end, they would imagine us Wakasa. Akufo was a potential president. Yes. Nesadi said to him, "Let no call back. Me and Sasso.
Even me and Sophia who said it was a stolen vote. Clear. I make 2012 election lawyers. I didn't confer one technical know-how about law. Who said yes, Sana. Now, if you look at John Evans Atamos, Esoko on 3 occasions in 2000 election. John Evans Atamos one support was a Koranoff. Yes, a Koranoff. Even Akufo Addo Koranoff. Mills every year in 2008. What are they say? Now, if you look at Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, Mahamadu Bawumia is the only NPP candidate that goes to elections and get 38% or concede defeat as early as 7 a.m. So that I catch you. Say it was a wrong move. But Franco, would my dear? If we say many say, Yana 7 many 3 years, Franco. Me start to say deal lesson, you know. Me kai in 2008, oh, wa na nado e danim. Oh, wa na no saba.
Ma wuye. Me wo. Ena ye ba be ye by calculation of figures. To come tanko akwaje mu ne salad abrem na me ne die wi. Ena ma shem jacket. Nkwatena studio I analysis. Ena BM say no. Napo be 9:30. When Fred the strong of the NPP Jackie, the bomb back on the enemy and Sanipa and Fana who's your friend. Now they want power for me from oh, mother. What does I say? What's your for the custom chairman? Are the figures? Figures, baby. You have a pot house figures.
They are 2 about 7, 9 p.m. No,
MPP for now, no more coalition. Initially, they were bringing the figures out, say coalition. Yeah. All of a sudden, almost say Atyako. What's Amabi? What's Amabi? Because the figures were telling them that they were losing the elections. Let's say, to me, panic to me, Franco. Ya catch them saying some people Kumas or me a peeve near you, more Muska, Nipa Coffers can be Butum. And a moment, the worst we used to yellow. None was it.
But frankly, here Dr. Fee, you are some now, no canna. It was just it's a plan, say for now. No. And no Chinom Kushia. The agenda say, yes, we want to find, we've succeeded in using capitalism to destroy Kennedy Agyapong. We have to make Bawumia saint. Yes. So let us push everything on President Akufo Addo. Say the factor. So are you trying to tell me, say Akufo Addo can contribute to be Bawumia one contribute something to defeat him?
Metiye. Now Kwaku Annan. Sorry, I catch him say. Mahamadu Bawumia played an instrumental role. And I might 11 by 100 Ghana. Yeah. Tio. Yeah. Ntia mona baso. Let the same Mahamadu Bawumia so I catch him so go be 11 if you. Menti bi da. Yeah. Kamuni Kramuni. Onano Kwame Council says Sura Joseph Yafi. Oh, Kona Udra you are. Yeah. Airport run about it.
Because see Abuabo, but don't know how Abuabo. I could tell life total finish it. A
true and true Muslim who understands the cardinal principles of Islam will not vote for Bawumia. Yeah. Do you know why? Bawumia cannot correct. And Bawumia is playing his religious aspect because of politics. Hey. So Mahmoud Bawumia, I catch them say, Obanas will be betting tax the Afenyo. Mukuran so say betting a haram.
Yeah, betting is haram.
Mewa. I tell me about saying into the betting tax buy and say they wanted to discourage the youth
from betting.
Mahmoud Bawumia is a true and true Muslim. What about your cardinal principles of Islam is against betting? What's all about the betting? We 10% if you want to aid and motivate young guys to do betting.
The one Ghana phone we say or
I don't know Kojo Kyeremanteng. I don't know Kojo Kyeremanteng. Mahmoud Bawumia and quality bitro pathological liar. Mahmoud Bawumia sa palugu damwaye. $12 million from the Bank of Ghana. Basically, a white elephant. Inconsistencies. Mahmoud Bawumia say abia nyuma 2.4, abia nyuma 2.6. None in special aid, so I can say abia nyuma 2.4. Inconsistency. Now, for minister, so about Bawumia abia nyuma 5.3 million.
So, frankly, Argentina, I can say, when Akufo Addo shipped all MMDC CEOs to campaign for Bawumia during the primaries now by and they were happy. But this time they want to detach themselves from Kennedy Agyapong.
That is it. President Akufo. Oh yeah, then you see the voice of the people is the voice of God. Say majority candidates are there then you pakuma bi nso nyansa chen obia. Nyankopon jam amokokopem. Na mokokopem wi a na e too late. Yamu jam mamokokopem. So makokopem. Now they are portion blames. And I win a say, Franco. Say, Akufo Addo can yes. And the NPP go position.
Now, maybe so promise will be said in the heat of campaign. Or be a 24-hour economy. What I say, physical and physical. Oh, catch a gun and he said, Oberman a mobile phone. I want 50 million to 1
credit score. The credit scores at the end. Shabula Sisi, the NPP lost the elections during the internal primaries. Omu Lusu Abano somewhere November 4, 2023. The internal primaries, they lost the elections. A geometry kakra because of arrogance in this anomano.
But frankly, can Bawumia team no? For now, the main ne wood yet. Osha and Niama as a senior. There are things that the party cannot change it. Because one Bawumia is a northerner or a Muslim. The Christian may not vote for him. Things that he has said that are untrue. Mahama going, Mahama being a northerner. If he exits, Ghanaian may not give to another northern. Can they do something before 2028?
From where I sit, Jomam was Sian Oma Bipe. Lasisi Jomam was Sian Oma Bipe. Yamene, Mamma and Coco 8 years in Yankam.
Look, where's Akufo Addo?
Where?
Mamma, wait to message. Pay 34 of you. But that okay,
your mamma, Kakawa Komuno, Abuano.
Okay.
Mamma can't meet you. John Dramani Mama. Where quite of fast, so what about the president? You quite of fast or conducting who's here. Don't joke with normal way. Now look at it. John Mama is thinking about the future of the NDC and the future of governance for the NDC. Two things, America. Okay. The party itself, and in terms of governance, who will be taking over. Saturday will be seen in 2009. Okay. John Evans at Tamas, Okofan Crown from deputy ministers. People were having issues with it. Okay.
I said, baby, sharp teeth.
Okuja Trabla Kwame Fellows of Fusuka, Timajenim Boatimo, Manebua Mamo, Otukonomo, young guys. And these are young guys who have taken total control and dominance of the NDC.
Because I'm on board some Okuja Trabla Kwedi, Boafels of Fusuka, or Manaboma. That's a Ghana force. Nandis Muni Passana, even not a Hoy Mokwa. Abanbag Munya say family and friends. I mean, has some social justice. I did be cause one. Now then, it will get to a time. A lot of youth from Ashanti region will join the NDC. Yeah.
I mean, one. Go and look at the new regional minister or designate to Mabuniti.
Dr. Franco Amakweni.
Young guy, only 45 years. See, as an NDC party near a party, oh yeah, you may no be a visible. They reward you and they reward you well.
About so I can say,
oh yeah, Godfather Biaou.
Me who so be in the bus for Butcher as a because I'm almost
no. And I'm person catch on. I'm poor time abuzi about what you have 20 years. Or near she no be a campaign. Yes, my men no papa the tip, but you the number, yet will be a kosha. Oh, we'll carry your Safuma for back near Tima creative near the Nakakoshe. Neja Pada document room say about Kwaku Director General, near Kwaku Diamond. Oh, why is there be where they shabu? Nana counts one is so called to the Munisam near your mama. Look at the NDC. Tell me, Sammy Gyamfi Papa NDC.
My name is Sammy Gyamfi.
Thank you. But maybe your mama did not say. Pablo. One Pablo. In the history of Ghana politics, since 1992, NPP does a youth manifesto. Youth manifesto.
Yeah.
The Ghana you might have issues with him. Yeah. He was able to realize that there be the 65% of Ghanaians voters registered a youth.
Yeah, youth.
So look at how they did their thing.
I want to the meme and film and youth.
And Juma, yeah, you know. Look at the kind of voice of Munyaye. And now that I mean, because your mama now say youth and recreation or something. Callistus Mahama, and Juma, yeah. Now, him go for you,
and interior, right?
Interior. What I say? Eriko Pokumo, a Greek.
I need pass so far, when you knew that afford be how reducing the Eriko Pokum.
How do you been winning? What can Haruna? You been winning.
But the NPP. The over too much is Frankie. Me who say a whole for from man some trouble chimney.
You waiting for winning and someone abeto yepono so because so we subscribe to channel idea but more than say subscribe we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me dey bro I think we are like video no give us a thumbs up not fi share ma Ato Forson na we be here na wo hu someone ekoso wo Ghana me mu harum also betimi otchere wadwen afa ye nsem we nyira ho wo comment box ni mu wo beti minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.